Okay, today is February 24th, 2025. I'm making hopia, but they are going to be baked instead of no bake. All right. All right, here we go. As you can see from this ingredient here, I added white sugar on the fillings, okay? And also maple syrup, okay? All right. All right. This is my filling right here, okay? So this one is not 100% white sugar. I mix it with maple syrup, okay? So basically you have the beans here, okay? All right, this is my Hopia Filling right here, okay? It's all the ingredients for this filling, Hopia Filling, it's all, oh, this is the second time, by the way. This is the second Hopia Filling, all right? What I'm gonna be using for this one, it's gonna be bake, okay? Instead of no bake Hopia, okay? All right. Okay, right now I'm making my dough for my Hopia. So this is Hopia Dough number 2.0, okay? Right there. So this time I do not have an all-purpose flour here. So what I have is 1 cup of corn flour and 1 cup of rice flour, okay? And also I have 1 teaspoon of um, baking powder and 1 teaspoon of salt, okay? And now I also added a white egg. So I have the egg yolk here for egg wash, okay? All right, so all my dry ingredients are all mixed together, including the egg whites. What I'm going to do right now, I'm going to be adding a warm water, slowly adding it, okay? Till I create the dough. All right, this is my Hopia Dough 2.0. By the way, I have different ingredients on this Hopia Dough. All right, Hopia Dough 2.0. All right, I'm gonna let it sit for 20 and 30 minutes. Okay. Okay, right now I am making my raw Hopia. Okay, have the fillings and also I have the dough lined up, and I have the first one here. Okay. All right. So right now I have my 7 Hopias. I egg washed them. Okay. What I have here is one uh 1 cup, or you can say half cup because I have another dough there. Okay. That's it. So this is 1 cup for 7 Hopias. All right. Half cup of the rice flour and half cup of corn flour. And also I use maple syrup here, so this is on the fillings. It's not 100% white sugar. I also have baking powder and also the salt, similar to the previous dough, okay? So this is my Hopia, homemade Hopia 2.0. Now I'm baking it. The previous one, it's no bake. There are no baking involved with that. And I have an egg washed, okay? I egg washed them. Okay, right now, when I set it up at 375 Fahrenheit, similar to how I bake my empanadas, okay? This is gonna be good for 15 minutes, okay? I have no other instruction except for my empanadas, how I bake my empanadas, okay? The concept here is very similar, right? That's why I'm following that instruction. Okay, so far these are my Hopias here. Okay. I'm gonna I'm gonna air this. What I'm doing right now is airing them. Okay. All right. After 25 minutes, I baked my hopia. As you can see it here. So, oh, by the way, this is not very similar to my empanada dough, okay? Because I did not add a baking powder on the empanada dough. So if you ask me, I want to do it again without the baking powder. All right, these are the results I have. These are my 7 hopias. All right. Okay, this is my first hopia right here. Okay. I'm gonna show you the surrounding. Okay. All right. Surrounding came out okay. I'm gonna do my own critique. As you can see, you can see the cracking on it. Right. You see the bottom. I pull it out even it's still hot, but I just want to see if I can pull it out. So the bottom is okay if you ask me. Okay. All right. But all right. Let's see. I'm gonna cut it open. Right there. All right. See the other side. It's right there. Okay. This is Hopia 2.0. Homemade Hopia 2.0. So this is the second hopia. All right. So you can see it here. All right. It's okay. On the bottom. All right. Okay. This is the third one. Okay, you can see at the bottom. All right. All right, this is the fourth stack that I did from the previous one, but this time I have 7, but now I ate the third all 3, the first 3, and now I have the last 4. Okay. Okay, dokes. You can see it there. All right. So these are my homemade Hopia 2.0, but this time I baked them. The first homemade Hopia 1.0, I did not bake them, okay? And also I did not use an all-purpose flour for this, okay? And I did not use butter. All right, I did use an egg whites with no butter.